Guys, it's not every day we have a row of some of the finest classic Hondas on planet Earth. Wait a minute. It is almost every day we do that here. But when we do get a row of bikes that we've completed that are fully restored, I want to share it with you because there's a ridiculous amount of work getting these classics in brand new showroom condition. This one here didn't need much with 2,981 miles from the Jeff Sear collection. This is 100% original, guys, right down to the chain and sprockets and tires on it and the paint. It's absolutely freaking stunning. MB5, 1 year only, import to the United States. Basically a shrunk down GP racer for the high school kid without a license, but us big kids like them too. And when's the last time you saw a 26-year-old XR70 looking this good, man? This is absolutely stunning. Another Jeff Sear collection masterpiece. And here's one of Jeff's CT70s right here. 256 original miles, 100% original, except for I couldn't resist the temptation to put a gold chain on it and polish it up like a new penny and get it running perfectly, ready to go for another 45 years. Here's a 1985 Honda XL80S. I worked at Mickey Finn's Honda in 1985, my year after I graduated high school. Worked in the parts department. I used to set up bikes too. And this is the last time I saw one this nice was then when I was 40-something years younger. 2,681 miles, 100% original, right down to the tires, 99% because of the chain. Then we've got a CB700 Nighthawk. This was a muscle bike that Honda built that was designed to be virtually maintenance-free fun. Hydraulic actual adjusting valves, automatic adjusting cam chain, shaft drive, but in a sport package. No chain to adjust, hydraulic clutch, the dual disc front brakes, and a 12-second quarter mile at about 130 miles an hour top speed. This thing was definitely a force to be reckoned with back then, and it runs absolutely freaking amazing. Brand new Metzler tires, full video coming on this one. And this one should need no description, but I'll tell you a little bit about it. This is the king of Supercross, Jeremy McGrath, his favorite motorcycle, 1993 CR250R, 94, 95, 96. The factory team let him run this frame because it turned better than the later years. The geometry was tight as a tiger on it. It would turn on a dime. This is from the Jeff Hunter collection out of Missouri. 200 PSI on the original engine compression. We ran a boroscope. It's virtually brand new on the inside, so we didn't even crack the head on it. It's all original, the engine, with a brand new pipe and silencer, brand new reed valves, brand new twin air filter, brand new factory racing Boyson ignition cover, all new zinc plated. Every bolt on this bike was zinc plated. $421 just in zinc plating. New plastics, graphics, chains and sprockets, tires, bars, grips, levers, seat cover, and a Clark tank, and a lot more. It'll take me 10 minutes, and this is a brief video, so you got to watch the YouTube video for the long form on that one. Each one of these bikes will have a full video describing the full frame-off restorations, including this 1989 CR, somewhat arguably, besides the 93, one of the most collectible CR250Rs ever made, the 89. Then again, there's the Red Rocket 250 over there that'll give it a run for its money too, but these are highly collectible. The first year inverted forks. This was another Wizard Tune masterpiece, frame off restoration. Huge work order on that one. Then we've got the shovel front number plate on this, which is a 1 year only 81 Honda's first big bore two-stroke 450R, 1981. Beautifully restored to showroom condition. Everything's new on this bike. It looks like it just came out of the box. And then one of my favorites, the 79 Red Rocket. We've done more restorations on these than any other company on planet Earth. That's proven by the Guinness Book of World Records. Actually, I made that part up, but we did talk to them about getting us a Guinness World Book of Records as the most classic motorcycles ridden by one man on video. So we've done over 10,000 videos so far on different bikes over the last 14 years. So on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. But I get to ride all these, coolest job in the world, and I get the fun of seeing these restored to the level that I want them at. And this one's absolutely beautiful. You got to admit, this Red Rocket, the 79 Honda, they really nailed. As far as twin shock bikes go, it's got to be the sexiest looking twin shock bike ever, with those massive Fox Air shocks, the gold chain, the new Dunlop tires, the beautiful paint job on the tank, the Renthal bars, the polished aluminum fork lowers. Everything's new on this bike, full frame off resto. And check out the pipe on it. It's pretty badass. DG pipe with the DG silencer with the Works finish on it. Stunning piece of American motocross history right here from Honda. So thank you for sticking with us so far, guys. I bet you if I asked, well, I know for a fact like 90% of you guys aren't subscribed to the channel that watch. It's crazy. We get 30 million views a month between YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and Facebook. And like, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps grow the channel so we can bring more cool classic videos. So if you stuck with us this long, please hit the subscribe button and put a comment in there. Which one of these classic Hondas, if they were free, which one or two would you take, and which one did you have when you were a kid? I want to know. I read every comment on these videos, and I appreciate your support. It's a labor of love doing this. It's a lot of work, and you're looking at virtually years of work here when you add it all up. So thank you for being there. I don't think there's any other channel on the internet that brings you this kind of classic motorcycle Honda content, and others where you'll see this diversity of spectacular machines, plus the new gas, the Buell, the Stark, and some more great things coming down the pike. So hit the like and subscribe, and if you want to buy one of these, they'll all be listed at www.kaplancycles.com with 40 high-res pictures that you can blow up and look at every nook and cranny, the bottom of the engine, the cases, the frame, and pick it apart, make sure it's exactly what you want. And they'll be on eBay auction also, and available sale locally at kaplancycles.com, or give Junior a call here at the shop if you want one of these classics. And some of these are like the 258 mile CT70. Where are you going to find that? Where are you going to find a 93 CR250R built to that level, or an XL80S, or an MB5? They're just, bikes like this are super, super rare. This place has become a magnet. It's been the center of the vintage Honda universe, I think, over here. We get so many cool classics, and not just Honda, all brands. We don't turn, we got a Harley right here. We got A to Z. We got 2 football field long rooms full of hundreds of motorcycles in there. So thank you for watching the channel. Thanks for supporting us and commenting and subscribing. God bless America. Love y'all.